what we are trying to do with the help of all of you volunteers who are going to play a very important role, in fact the most important role in the Energy and Climate Keeper program, is to reach out to millions of people. Talk to them. So all the training that you have received so far, the whole purpose of the training is to communicate this to the society, that how critical it is, how climate change has become very severe, how everybody is required to take an action. And the best people to do that is you all who are watching this video. So you as a volunteer has a great responsibility in conveying them to people. So as a volunteer, what you're supposed to do is, of course, once you got the training, you can create your own script of 5, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. You can organize a small seminars in the buildings you're living, among your friends. You can collect 5, 10 people together, talk to them, give them speeches about the energy and climate change. Tell them about what they can do it, how they can avoid, how they can minimize, how they can generate. Everything that you learned in the lectures, a brief of that capsule, you can tell it to your friends, family members, relatives, societies, everywhere. So that is one thing. You create your own script, speak out and go to people. What is the purpose behind that? Once you do that, and if they are convinced that they should take an action, Keep Up stands for UPP, Understand, Pledge and Progress. So once they understand that there is something wrong and they need to take an action, next thing is ask them to take a pledge. What is this pledge about? How do we minimize the impact on the climate change? How do I as an individual reduce my energy requirement? How do I minimize my energy requirement? How do I generate my energy requirement 100% on solar? So the pledge can be that I reduce my electricity bill by 10% or 20% or 30% or 40%, even 100%. So 100% means somebody has decided to surrender electricity connection and go 100% on solar energy. That is the best thing you can imagine and expect from your talks to the people. But if not, at least 10%, 20%, 30%. Then if somebody decided that I will reduce my electricity bill by 10%, that is a pledge that he has taken, then you have to guide them how to do that. Then avoid and minimize. These are the simple ways of doing it. So this is very important aspect, that they should then take a pledge. How the pledge is to be taken? It is through our mobile app, Energy Swaraj Movement and Yatra mobile app. You can ask them to take a pledge. By the way, all of you are going to have a unique ID, and when you are talking to them, and if somebody is taking a pledge, your unique ID will also be there, or you can help them to put it there so that we know that it is coming through you. And the app that you can actually watch another video to see how to use the app, but app will also guide them how to achieve their target. So suppose somebody is using 300 units of electricity per month and has taken a pledge to reduce electricity consumption by 10%, which means the person want to reduce by 30 units. How do we get the reduction of 30 units? By avoiding some of the appliances and by replacing some of the appliances. So you can help them 20%, 30%. App will guide them, but you can also guide them. So that is the second aspect of Keep Up program, understand and pledge. And the third and the most important aspect that you as a volunteer have to get it done is progress. Monitor the progress. It is not enough to take a pledge, because once you are going to talk to them, they will understand that they are also part of the problem, and they will feel good about it. They would like to do something. They will take a pledge in front of you. But more than that, what is required is you need to monitor the progress. So once you guide them how to avoid, how to minimize, how to achieve their target of 10, 20, 30%, monitor the progress. How are you going to monitor the progress? Well, very simple. You can monitor the progress by observing their electricity bill. So today if they are taking a pledge, look at what is their electricity bill in terms of units of last month, and then give them target, monitor them, talk to them once in a month, twice in a month. Have they achieved their target? Have they reduced their electricity bill? And over a period of 3 months, you should monitor minimum 3 months, so that we are sure that it has become part of their life. You can upload this electricity bill on the mobile app, so that we will assume after looking the proof that yes, the target has been achieved. That will be real success. And 1 unit of electricity saved is 1 kilogram of carbon dioxide saved. And if the people, it becomes part of their habit, then over a period of years and years, for 1 unit saved every month, it will result in hundreds and thousands of kilograms of CO2 saved. And that's why our program is subtitled as Million Pledges and Billion Hopes. Every kilogram of carbon dioxide saved is a hope for the future. It is a hope for future generation that their future will be secure and safe, and the climate change mitigation will not become too drastic, so that it becomes unbearable for people to live and survive on this planet. So understand, pledge and progress. Monitor the progress. This is the task of every volunteer to do that. So you are having the most important task of the Energy and Climate Keeper program is to understanding yourself, passing on that understanding to the people. Let the people take the pledge through our mobile app, and then you monitor the progress. When each and every volunteer gets at least 50 pledges registered, then you are also eligible for a beautiful certificate, very valuable certificate that you will get from the Energy Swaraj Foundation together with your organization if you are a part of organization. If not, as an individual, you will always get it from Energy Swaraj Foundation. And if you are actually working harder and 50 pledges become 100 pledges, 100 becomes 200 pledges, then you will get silver certificate, gold certificate and platinum certificate. So that criteria are also defined on our website, and get it done. And if you do that, and if you really cross 250 pledges, then you will get an opportunity to have one-to-one with me. We will have discussion, we will have celebration, and we will also have the party sometime, so that you can become a proud member and volunteer of Energy Swaraj Foundation. You can become a proud volunteer of Energy and Climate Keeper program. And I'm sure all the efforts of the volunteers will soon be noticed by all our media, it will be noticed by our politicians, and I'm sure it will be noticed by the country as a whole, that this energy and climate volunteers, the energy and climate warriors, are doing a beautiful work for making the world a safer, a cleaner and a more sustainable planet for every human being. So great, I wish you all the best. Watch the video about how to use the app. Start registering your pledges. I'll see you sometime in person, through the digital media, whatever means possible. Let us meet sometime and celebrate in a bigger way and get it done in a bigger way, so that we can all make a world a better place to live. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best.